Hi guys, it's me again, and I'm glad to see you here on my channel. On today's video, I will share with you my go-to makeup look while answering questions about myself. The look that I'm going for today is usually the makeup look that I usually do whenever I want to look put together. And since this is a chatty get ready with me video, I'll take this opportunity to tell you something about myself as well. Nag-prepare ako ng 5 categories that I will answer throughout this video. Before I put on my makeup, I always do my skin prep first, meaning I already washed my face and did my skincare routine. Before I proceed, I will first put on my tinted sunscreen. One that I'm using is from BLK Cosmetics. The first category is about my educational attainment. So I actually graduated Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology or Medical Laboratory Science back in 2017. And on that same year, I took and passed the board exam.
Wow.
Tapos after 1 month, I already started working. So I didn't get the chance to take a breather or mag-vacation pa, but that's fine. Salary-wise, if you're curious, baka kasi tingin nyo iba yung salary niya sa mga nurses or other healthcare professionals. No, it's the same. Unfortunately, it's barely enough for you to survive, to be honest. So, I think for the first 2 years, majority of us, talagang ginagawa lang siyang stepping stone. Kumbaga, tsaga-tsaga lang para makapag-apply ka abroad. To fill in my brows, I will be using this one from Benefit. It's called Goof Proof Brow Pencil. The second category of questions would be about my current job. Currently, I am an international flight attendant in the Middle East. And nag-start ako dito back in June 28 of 2022. How did I get here? Okay, so nung nagpasa ako ng application dito sa airlines namin, I already had 1 active application, pero as a medical technologist, sa US naman siya. But then one good friend of mine, he encouraged me to also pass my application sa airlines. So, nung nagpasa ako ng application ko, after 2 days, I haven't heard from them. Tingin ko, hindi pa sila nag-submit sa akin or hindi sila nakapag-bigay sa akin kaagad ng feedback kasi mass hiring to. So ngayon, ako naman, since 4 days lang yung open day, sabi ko sige, first 2 days, hindi pa ako pupunta kasi nga hinihintay ko yung invitation letter. Kasi yung invitation letter na yun, makakatanggap ka lang kapag lumusot ka dun sa mga requirements or na-tick mo lahat ng boxes ng requirements nila. Only then, they can send you the invitation letter para makita ka nila in person at doon ka may screen physically. So, nag-wait ako ng 2 days, wala. Kasi yun yung nakalagay doon sa email na after mo mag-send na application, you have to wait for 48 hours para ma-check nila yung documents mo and yung credentials mo as well. So, si ate mo, dahil 4 days nga lang, sabi ko, sige, pupunta na ako ng 3rd day. Kapag wala akong invitation letter, pupunta pa rin ako. Ngayon, kung tatanggapin nila ako kasi wala akong invitation letter, that's good. And if not, uuwi na lang ako. And the rest is history. Naka-attend ako ng walang invitation letter. Nag-proceed pa rin sila into screening me. And 1 day hiring lang siya. So, nag-apply ako or pumunta ako doon sa venue ng 4 a.m. and lahat ng screening process nangyari siya in 1 day and nakabalik ako kinabukasan ng 2 a.m. na. Bago ko makalimutan na nagme-makeup pala ako, I will set my brows with Get Ready With Me Brow Express Pro. Grabe, ang hirap pala nito. Nagkukwento ka, tapos nag-makeup ka rin. How do you guys do it? The The next category of questions will revolve around my living condition. Before I answer those questions, mag-highlight muna ako called the Glow IV Vitamin Infused Skin Enhancer. So, I am currently residing in Doha, Qatar. Doon ako naka-base. So, ganun yung aking living conditions. Most of the time, kapag wala akong lipad or wala akong flight, I do stay in Doha. Pero kapag may lipad naman, syempre, depende kung anong bansa kami. Kung saan ako naka-assign na mag-operate ng flight. Like now, for example, nasa Jakarta ako ngayon. Living conditions naman, so as I've said, yung home base namin ay nasa Doha, Qatar. Also means na yung company namin ang nag-take care ng aming accommodation. They provide everything from accommodation till our water bills, electricity bills. So technically, ang binabayaran na lang namin ay ang internet and groceries. I think at this point, it's only right for me to give you an idea on how much we make as an international flight attendant in the Middle East. So, yung salary namin is tax-free. If I have to give you an idea on the figures itself, we make on average 6 digits in pesos every month.
Wow.
Our salary is comprised of 3 parts. First part would be the basic salary. Of course, it depends kung ano na yung ranking mo. Kung ikaw ay crew sa economy, ikaw ay crew sa business class, or ikaw ay supervisory level na. Din kami nagkakaiba-iba din, including yung sa next part na itatakal ko. So first part muna tayo. Basic salary, makukuha mo siya regardless if lumilipad ka or hindi. So, meaning, kapag naka-vacation leave ka, naka-paid sick leave ka, or even kapag grounded ka for grooming, you will get your basic salary every month. The second part is the hourly flying pay. Now again, it depends kung ano na yung rank mo. In general, mas mataas ang flying hours mo, mas mataas yung bayad sa'yo. And last but not the least, yes, they give us allowances. Depende sa kung ano yung destination, nag-a-adjust din yung aming allowances. For example, itong country na to, medyo matataas yung bilihin and mababa yung discount na kayang ibigay sa amin ng hotel. So, mas mataas yung aming hotel allowance. Isang example lang yan, but there are different reasons bakit ganun yung binibigay sa aming allowance for a certain destination. Yun naman ay same for everyone. Now it's time to line my eye. Erwin makes waterproof eyeliner. Hindi masyadong harsh yung itsura ng eyeliner nyo. Definitely use brown. Nilalagyan ko rin siya sa inner corners para mas elongated yung itsura ng eyes ko. After all these years that I'm doing my makeup, see? Nasabihin ko pa lang, never akong nasanay talaga maglagay ng eyeliner. Sabi nila, as long as you practice. I've been doing this for years now and still hindi pa rin siya pumapantay. Or maybe because my eyes hindi talaga siya even. Wait lang. I will be back. I'm back. Wait lang. Hindi muna ako sasalita. Hindi muna ako magsasalita, guys. Wait lang. Okay na to. While I answer the next category of questions, I will do a little bit of contouring. It's this shape. Ano ba yung next? Okay. So what do I do on my days off? What are my hobbies? And if I do have a routine. To answer that, sige, mag-start ako sa routine. I only have two types of routines. Meron lang akong routine kapag may pasok ako at pag wala. Ngayon, pag wala akong pasok, ang routine ko lang naman, most of the time, magpahinga lang. Kasi, yun nga, days off naman ako or day off ko naman. Papahinga lang ako. Or kung meron pa akong energy na mag-gym, I will go to the gym. And then, yun lang, mag-sort out ng mga gamit after a flight, magligpit ng kwarto, that's it. My hobbies include going to a cafe and sometimes painting. I'm not saying I'm good at painting, pero I do it whenever I'm stressed or I have ample time to paint. And recently, na-discover ko tong dance studio na to in Qatar. It's called Brava Studio. And I got so curious one time na chinek ko yung page nila and sinilip ko kung ano yung mga dance lessons na ina-offer nila. I got interested dito sa aerial hoop. So I went and enrolled. So far that I'm filming this video, nakaisang session na ako sa kanila. Grabe. I got interested kasi nga I was trying to look for another hobby. Aside from that, gusto kong ilagay sa test yung mga muscles ko. So, sabi ko, sige, susubukan ko to para ma-test out ko yung upper body strength ko. And it did not disappoint. First time ko lang umattend and grabe, ilang araw na yung sakit ng katawan ko. But if I want to come back for more lessons, definitely I would. Kakadaldal ko dito, nakalimutan ko na maglagay ng aking mascara. Heroin Make, sige kaya ko to. Heroin Make Volume and Curl Mascara. The reason why I'm not covering the pimple that I have here is because, wala lang. Okay lang yan siya dyan. So I moved a little closer to the camera so you can see that my blemishes and my pimples are still peeking through. Wala, dead man na. It does look more natural that way, right? So I'm not gonna cover it. And I don't feel like covering it today. So for those of you who are thinking na flight attendants have perfect skin, I'm a living proof. It's not true. I don't know, saan nanggagaling yun, guys? Actually, mas mahirap na mag-maintain sa amin ng skin kasi we don't get enough rest or sleep most of the time. So mas prone kami sa breakouts. And we also go through the same process as you guys. So kung meron kayong blemishes, meron kayong pimples, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Okay, we're down to the last few steps of this makeup. And I'm using Dear Darling tint from Etude House. While I do that, I will answer the final question. And that is very interesting. What is my zodiac sign? Yun ba yung question ko? And how am I as a person? Okay, so hindi ko naman sinasabi na strong believer ako ng mga astrology kind of things. Pero I do consider them, especially when I am dealing with a person that I don't know. Sometimes I do ask them, kailan ang birthday mo? Anong zodiac sign mo? Wala lang. It gives you an idea kasi. Although, hindi ka naman pwedeng maging, or hindi ka pwedeng mag-base doon solely. But for me, sometimes it does help. I don't know about you guys. You can share your thoughts in the comments down below. Pero to answer the question, ako ay, mas nilifted ko. Can you guess? Okay, so ang zodiac sign ko ay Leo. So I'm a fire sign. And, ano ba? Meron pa ba akong sasabihin doon? So usually kasi ang misconception or ang usual na sinasabi sa astrology na characteristic ng Leo is very powerful, energetic, ganyan. Tingin ko, I am the same, pero hindi ako yung type ng Leo na extrovert. Kasi usually yun nga yung sinasabi na characteristic ng Leo. Very extrovert and loves attention. For me, not as much. Gusto ko lang magtago. Isa akong introvert compared dun sa mga ibang Leos na out there talaga. And, ayun lang. I mean, siguro mataas lang yung energy ko when I'm around the people that I'm close with. Tingin ko lahat naman ganon. But if I would judge myself, I would say I'm more of an introvert kind of Leo. Ayoko masyadong nakikita. And ayoko masyadong marami ring tao. Ayoko rin nakikipag-interact. Contradicting siya sa work ko. Siguro napapagod lang ako mag-interact after a long flight. Kasi alam niyo naman yung trabaho namin na as a flight attendant, we have to interact with our passengers all the time. So, feeling ko na drain ako after nun. So, ayun. Pag days off ko, ayoko na kinakausap ko. Yun. Yun lang. As a person, I think, in general, maayos naman ako. I don't know. I think I answered everything that's on my list. But I'm not yet done kasi dami kong daldal. So, sa powder, I will be using the one from Morphe. And this is Bake and Set Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. Dun lang sa areas na medyo oily. T-zone. And lastly, for the lips, I will be using 3 products. Kanina na ginamit ko sa cheeks. And this one will be my base. This is the Etude Fixing Tint in 6 Soft Walnut. Sa center lang ng lips. And last na talaga. This one is from ColourPop. It's their So Juicy Plumping Glossy Lip Oil. So simple and very natural looking lang, but I do look at least more put together, right? Right? Here's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Jackie Get Ready With Me video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!